Hey guys, what's up? My name is Eris, and welcome back to my series on OFTV called Eris on Ice. I am currently traveling, and one thing that I really struggle with when I'm traveling is keeping up with my workout routine. And this is mostly because when I'm traveling, I don't usually have the equipment that I normally use when I work out. So I've created a little workout routine that requires no equipment at all. And this is the workout routine I do every single time I'm traveling. So I thought I would share that with you guys. And without further ado, let's get into it. So this workout is split up into two sections. The first section is an ab series and the second section is a glute series. So we're gonna start with the ab series. I'm gonna lay down on my back with my knees bent like so. And we're just gonna start with 20 crunches, plain and simple. Here we go. I really like to try every single time that I'm up like this to squeeze my core and squeeze my abs and suck my belly button into my spine at the top. I also like to breathe out every single time I come to the top and inhale on the way down. All right, the next ab exercise we're gonna do is another version of crunches. However, this time we're gonna do knees up at a 90-degree angle like so. And same thing, really squeezing our abs every single time we come to the top and breathing up at the top as well. So here we go, 20 knee crunches. And for the next exercise, we are going to be doing vertical crunches with crossovers. So I'm gonna show you. Our legs are going to be sticking straight up. We are going to be lifting up like so, except instead of going straight up, we're going to alternate from left to right, crossing over our left and right leg. And we're going to do 20 of these as well. Let's do it. And for our last ab exercise, we are going to be doing ankle touches. I really like this exercise because the ankle touches are going to help hit our obliques. So what we're going to do is we're going to have our feet spread apart at a hip width distance, knees bent. We're going to lift up our chest and we're going to alternate touching each ankle. And we're going to do 20 of these. All right, let's do it. All right, for our next glute exercise, we are going to be doing a bridge hold. So we're going to go back into the same position. We're going to squeeze our booty at the top, and we are going to hold here for 20 seconds. After the holds, we're going to lay back down again. The same motion that we've been doing with all of our glute exercises, but now we're going to pulse at the top, and we're going to do 20 pulses. So I'm going to start at the top right here. My glutes are squeezed, and I'm going to pulse up like so. Just small pulses like that. We're going to do 20 of them. And now for our last and final glute exercise, we're going to do bridges again. However, we're going to do single leg glute bridges this time. So same motion that we've been doing this entire time. However, instead of with both of our feet planted on the ground, we're going to have one foot planted on the ground. The other one is going to be bent here at a 90-degree angle. We're going to lift, squeeze our glutes at the top, and then lower back down. So I'm going to do 10 with my right leg up, and then I'm going to switch, and I'm going to do 10 with my left leg up. I like to keep it all the same numbers, 20, 20, 20, 20. We don't need any confusion. It's just nice and simple. I'm going to start with my right leg up, and I'm gonna do 10 on this leg. All right, now we're gonna switch to the other leg. I'm gonna have my left leg up in the air, and same thing, 10 glute bridges on my right leg. Okay, that is my workout routine that I do when I'm traveling. I am sweaty and exhausted. It doesn't seem like a lot, but it actually does really get the burn going and hit all the muscle groups that I like to hit. That is all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to check back next week for next week's video. Bye.